Hi, this is Erin Harrison coming to you from the Los Angeles Convention Center at IT Expo West 2010, our 22nd IT Expo. I'm joined this afternoon by Tim Dolan, North American Sales Manager at Taoglas. Welcome, Tim.
Well, thank you very much. It's a pleasure being here.
Thanks for being here with us. So since we last caught up with you guys, what is the latest and greatest happening at Taoglas?
Well, we're really growing at a great rate right now. We're growing at about 50%, and we're really putting a lot of money into the U.S. We now have 3 world-class design facilities, one in Ireland, one in San Diego, and one in Taiwan. We manufacture our products over in Taiwan as well, so I really like to think of us as the price and performance leader in antennas. In other words, we have the RF specialty, we have the packaging engineers, and we have the low-cost manufacturing. So very rare is it that you're with a company where you have the best products at the best price.
So who is your primary customer, would you say?
There are a lot of primary customers. I would say the telematics space is a very big space.
Okay.
People like Caterpillar, Maury Corporation, CalAmp, anybody has to do with transportation's big.
Mm-hmm.
Also big is the medical space. I actually bought one of our little flexible antennas here.
Mm-hmm.
Typically medical devices don't want some kind of outside external antenna off the device because it can break off.
Right.
We have a patent pending for this technology where it's a flexible circuit. On the back side there's 3M tape. So inside of an infusion pump or a medical monitor or any type of equipment like that, you can just put this onto the module, flip this up and tape it to the internal part of the medical device,
Mm-hmm.
and it gives you fantastic performance.
And I understand that you guys are making a pretty significant announcement here while you're at IT Expo.
We are. Our technology on our bedded antennas is really second to none. We piggyback that with all our packaged antennas.
Mm-hmm.
So we take those and we make external antennas for trucks and for outdoor oil applications and places like that. And here we're announcing a 3-technology ruggedized Spartan M600 device. It'll have GSM CDMA,
Mm-hmm.
it'll have GPS, and it'll have Wi-Fi all in the same ruggedized waterproof enclosure.
Okay.
The nice thing about this also is it's got a 4th connection in there. So you can utilize either diversity for Wi-Fi or diversity for GSM, or we'll be coming out with products that'll support Orbcomm and the Iridium satellite networks.
Okay, now let's talk a little bit about 4G.
Mm-hmm.
Certainly many strides have been made in 2010. What do you see happening into 2011?
Well, I think 4G is just the next big push. We're here not only to talk to customers, but we're here to talk to the big people like Qualcomm and those people pushing the LTE and pushing the 4G,
Mm-hmm.
so we can find out what the specifications need to be so we can optimize the antennas. As far as 4G is concerned, it just makes everybody so much more efficient.
Sure.
I mean, if you think of a truck depot that sends out 50 trucks a day, and they go to 50 stops a day, and they came back at the end of the day. Well, each night they have to download a meg of information onto their server.
Mm-hmm.
Well, in a typical network, it'll take them 45 minutes per truck.
Right.
So it'll take them all night long to do it. While with the 4G networks, they can now download each truck in maybe a 5-minute time frame,
Mm-hmm.
and now you're so much more efficient than you were before. So I think from a bandwidth issue, it's really going to make things a lot more efficient.
Yeah, it's incredible. And now you're an exhibitor here at IT Expo. What are you hoping to accomplish as an exhibitor?
Well, like all exhibitors, we want to find future customers as well. But our big push here is going to be with LTE and 4G. We're looking to hook up with the Qualcomms of the world and there's people who are coming out with those chipsets, so we really can get an ideal product in this kind of a space in the M2M market.
Okay, and before we wrap up, are there any particular trends that you guys are watching as we move into 2011?
Well, our trend is just growth, growth, growth right now. It seems like in this space, in the M2M space, it continues to do well in a bad market because it's making companies more efficient, which is saving them money and coming out with new products. So in tough times, companies are not cutting these programs, they're adding these programs on. So we look forward to a continued growth.
Absolutely. I've been speaking with Tim Dolan, North American Sales Manager at Taoglas. Tim, thanks for joining me.
Thank you very much.
This is Erin Harrison at IT Expo West 2010.